In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PDF in Google Drive. If you've ever needed to turn a document into a PDF, but weren't quite sure how to do it directly from Google Drive, this guide will walk you through the process in a simple and clear way. By the end, you'll be able to convert your files quickly and confidently. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google Drive by typing drive.google.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, make sure you're signed in to your Google account. This is important because your files are stored within your personal drive, and you'll need access to them before making any changes. After signing in, you'll see your main Drive dashboard. From here, locate the file you want to convert into a PDF. If the file is visible right away, you can select it immediately. If it's stored inside a folder, simply navigate through your folders until you find it. Once you've located the correct file, double-click it to open it. When the document opens, you'll be taken to the editing interface, where you can view or make changes to your content. At the top left corner of the screen, click on the File option to open a drop-down menu. This menu contains several tools that allow you to manage your document in different ways. Scroll through the menu until you find the Download option. When you hover over or click it, another menu will appear with a list of available file formats. This is where you can choose how you want to save your document. From the list of formats, select PDF document. As soon as you click this option, Google Drive will begin converting your file into a PDF and download it to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, you may be asked to choose where to save the file, or it may automatically go to your default Downloads folder. And just like that, you've successfully created a PDF from your document. This method helps preserve your formatting and makes your file easier to share across different devices and platforms. It's a reliable way to ensure your work looks consistent, no matter where it's viewed. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.